Hey guys, so I'm at Costco and today I am bringing you the best Costco deals for this week. So many great sales going on right now, and I've also spotted amazing new arrivals I think you're going to love. So please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So I found this 2-in-1 steamer and iron that comes with a gentle temperature. It's by Conair, and I actually have their previous model. I believe it's the second model that they released for this handheld garment steamer. Has $10 off until February 16th, so $40 for this item for a limited time. It does heat up very fast. Honestly, I was reading through like all the little details here, and I'm not too sure what the difference is between this one and the one I have at home. I'm not sure if it's just the color that changed, or I couldn't notice if it had additional features. I didn't really tell much of a difference because it even comes with the same accessories, but it's super easy to use. I end up using both the iron and the steamer function, and they both work very well. A couple years ago, before Costco brought out their 2-slice toaster, I remember usually they had the 4-slice toaster, which was just too much for us. We're a 2-person household, so something like this would have worked, but I ended up buying mine through Amazon, and let me tell you, I paid around $35 for ours, and it is not stainless steel, so this feels amazing. You can actually select the different shades depending on your personal preference, of course, and you can even select from the different type of custom presets that it has. So you have bread, bagel, waffle, pastry, or for example, like English muffin. But this is what it looks like. It has a really nice modern look to it. For those of you that may be in the Rancho Cucamonga location, I wanted to show you this awesome clearance find. It's on the Tramontina nonstick bakeware set. This was a total of 9 pieces, and I found it going for $35. That is a deal. Keep in mind, guys, this price, this item used to sell for $50. And it comes with so many different bakeware. Let me show you guys here. So you get, let's see, you get the 2 baking sheets, you get a cooling rack, a 12-cup muffin pan, comes with a square cake pan. It also comes with 2 of the round cake pans, a loaf pan, and 2 silicone trivets. So many pieces. This is a great price. If you happen to be in the area, grab them because they're going to run out pretty quick. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. This one comes with so many different attachments because you have a food cut processor. You also have a whisk. This one's on sale with $10 off until February 16th. So keep in mind it normally sells for $40, but right now the price comes down to $30. I will say too, this item goes on sale quite often. So I personally would say don't buy it at the original price. Always wait for the sale because it's always right around the corner. Comes with a 4-cup food processor, the 3-cup beaker. You get a full-size chef's whisk. It also comes with a stainless steel blending shaft, and you also get a little storage bag. I also found the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and it also comes with the stand, and this one's on sale until February 16th. So it has $70 off. Keep in mind, Dyson, it's a pretty expensive brand. So normally it sells $400, but right now the price comes down to $330. The attachments are very similar to the Shark, because I have the Shark one. It even comes with more attachments, and the price is quite, it's quite different. This one comes with the flyaway attachment. You get the diffuser, the white tooth comb. It also comes with the styling concentrator, and you also get a gentle air attachment. And in case anyone here has been looking for a hair cutting kit, this one is an all-in-one because you can also do beard grooming, so that's pretty nice. This one has $8 off until February 16th. I'm noticing a couple people already taking advantage of the sale. Normally it sells for $40, but right now the price comes down to $32. And I think what catches a lot of people here is the amount of clipper guards that you're getting. You can see it goes from size from number 1 to number 8. And then also you have a trimmer for touch-ups and beards, and it also comes with the storage case. And look at what I found at Costco. This is the garden hose pot that has a copper plated finish. I know it's one of those items we've seen before, but I noticed it does tend to come and go from Costco quite often. It has a 19.6-inch diameter, and it's going for $54 at the moment. I'm pretty sure eventually we'll be able to find it on sale, so I would probably recommend waiting. In case you're wondering regarding the measurements, here they are: 19.6 inches wide and around 17 inches tall. It accommodates up to 100 feet in terms of the hose. And the lid, of course, is removable, and you can use it for firewood or to store magazines or other household items. And for anyone that loves to bake, and I mean really loves to bake, because you have to be a full-on baker to use this bowl lift stand mixer to the max. This one right here is by KitchenAid, and I did spot it on sale. It goes on sale pretty often, by the way. It has $80 off until February 16th, so the price goes from $400 down to $320, so a pretty good discount. It comes with the flat beater, the dough hook, the 6-wire whip, and also the pouring shield. So get a couple of different attachments there. I noticed even in this Costco, they did have both color options. Sometimes I only spot one, so it just varies by location. If anyone's been thinking of buying this automatic whole room heater, it's on sale once again. This one's by Vanity. It comes with a remote control, and it also comes with a timer. This one is $20 off until February 9th, so a couple more days left for this sale. The price goes from $70 down to $50, so you get a $20 discount. It says here it comes with the 3 advanced safety features, and it also has the hidden cord storage. And in case anyone here is looking for an area rug, I did spot these area rugs that are machine washable, and they're kid and pet friendly. So, and that dog right there is just making me want to buy this. It's so adorable. This one has $10 off until February 17th. The price goes from $40 down to $30. Let me know if anyone's purchased these area rugs before. But here are the measurements for it. And at this Costco, at least, they did have 2 different styles. It says they're also skid resistant since they have a built-in rug pad. And they're also stain resistant. I feel like Ninja did such a great job with this Ninja Deluxe kitchen system, because it really has like everything you could possibly ever need. You have the individual single serve cups, you also have a pitcher, you have a food processor even. And this one's on sale with $40 off for a limited time. This is what it looks like, and even the single serve cups are of 24 ounces. So, you know, you could probably even get 2 servings out of there. Let's just say yourself and someone else in your family just wants a smoothie, but maybe not the rest of the family. So there's no really need to use a pitcher. So those single serve cups really come in handy. It also comes with a 9-cup precision processor, and you also get a couple of the different discs. If anyone's been looking for an air fryer, I did spot the Ninja Foodie Extra Large 2-basket air fryer, which is a 10-quart capacity, on sale with $30 off until February 23rd. So this is a pretty good discount because it normally sells for $150, but right now the price comes down to $120. And it has, once again, 2 of the 5-quart baskets, and you can actually set different temperatures and times on both of the baskets, which is pretty nice. It says here that it has 6 customizable cooking functions. You can dehydrate, keep warm, reheat, bake, roast, or of course air fry. In my area, usually we only get the mint chip Yasso Greek yogurt bars, but I'm happy to see the cookies and cream one, finally a new flavor here. These are going for $12 at the moment, at least for the mint chip ones. You know, they do go on sale once in a while, so I do expect these cookies and cream ones to go on sale too eventually. 1 bar is around 90 calories, 16 grams of carbs, 13 sugar, 5 grams of protein. But yeah, it's a pretty calorie-friendly treat. This bread smells so good, and I just realized it's on sale. It's the Dave's Killer Bread. It's 80 calories, and it's thin sliced. This one has $2.50 off until February 9th. So $7, and it seems like you get 2 loaves. So this is a pretty good price compared to like my local grocery store at least. It says here 1 slice around 80 calories. It has around 15 grams of carbs. So yeah, definitely pretty good macros there. 3 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, and there's also a list of the ingredients. I've noticed several Costco members take advantage of this Heinz picnic pack anytime it goes on sale. Great if you're going to be having like large family gatherings. You're going to be cooking things like hot dogs and of course hamburgers. This one comes with everything you need. $2.10 off until February 9th. And it comes of course with the mustard. You also get the sweet relish and of course tomato ketchup. I believe you get 2 containers of the ketchup, and there you have the calories for each one. I also found this Godiva spring box on sale, and I even love the packaging. It's so cute, even perfect for Valentine's Day or even for Mother's Day, which will soon be around the corner. This one has $5.40 off, so that deal's going to be ending on February 14th. So this might be the last opportunity to take advantage of the sale. Two pieces around 110 calories. It's around 13 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, 1 gram of protein, around 11 grams of sugar. You can see there the ingredients, but it comes with a good variety of chocolates. From milk chocolate, you also have some dark chocolate options, and then also a couple of the white chocolate too. I noticed this fat oil lip balms have really good reviews on Target.com, but there they sell them individually. This is a 3-pack, and considering it's on sale, this is an even better deal than 24 bucks, of course. Has $5 off, so $19. So you pretty much get one of them for free, because I was noticing on Target, they sell them close to $10 for each one of them. And again, they have amazing reviews. So if you've been wanting to try these, now's a good time. And of course, I had to take a look at the shoe section. I wanted to remind you too that the Puma sneakers are on sale for both men and women. And the deal is going to be ending very soon though for both sneakers. So these are on sale until February 11th. These are the Puma men's Rocket Fuel sneaker. They have 2 color options, and this one's pretty nice. So it's a little bit of blue with black. And then they also have this color option. So 2 different sneakers to choose from for men. And for ladies, Costco still has a great deal going on with their Puma Ladies Evo sneaker. They have 2 color options for these, and they have $7 off until February 11th. So right now they're on sale for $28, but pretty soon the price is going to go up to $35 as well for these. So here are the 2 color options. This one's pretty nice. I actually like the neutral color there, but they also have them in black, and it has a pretty baby blue touch added to it. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.